I've been getting so many questions on social media about my skincare routine, so I thought today I would share my current nighttime skincare routine. These are the products that have worked miracles the last few months on my skin. I'm going to take you through what I use to cleanse, what I use to treat, and finally to hydrate the skin at night. You know, as a professional makeup artist, I've worked in the industry for over 15 years now, and I've used so many different skincare products. Right alongside all of my cosmetics is a rock solid skincare routine. It is so important to have beautiful, bare skin that's healthy. It's the canvas for the makeup to look so gorgeous and glowing and beautiful. So today I want to share with you what has worked for me really well the last few months. Currently, I have combination skin. I'm leaning a little bit dry and dehydrated. I have the early signs of rosacea and fine lines. So all the skincare products that I use are targeted for, my skin type. So let me know at any point if you have any questions about these products or if you think it's right for you. I'm happy to help you out and make some recommendations. So let's get on into it. The first step in my skincare routine at night is to cleanse. It is so important that you cleanse your skin every single night to remove all of the makeup and surface debris that can build up on the skin throughout the course of the day. So oil that naturally secretes from your pores, skin cells, pollutants from the atmosphere, bacteria, it can all accumulate up on your skin and cause breakouts, irritation. It can even lead to accelerated skin aging, which I know no one wants. So cleansing effectively and thoroughly every single night is the path to really healthy, clear skin. The cleanser that I've been using the most the last few months, and I pretty much have on rotation throughout the year, is from Balm. Now this is the cleansing balm, and I love it so much because it breaks down all of the makeup. So it's a balm you apply to dry skin. So you take a dollop of the product out onto the palm of your skin and you massage it over your makeup at the end of the day. And as you're massaging your skin, it just breaks everything apart. It comes with a little washcloth that you warm up, with warm water, and you just wipe everything away. The second step in my routine after I cleanse is to treat. Now, I always use different types of treatments throughout the year depending on what my skin needs. And if there's any specific problems that come up or something that might be developing on my skin that I want to address, I usually will go to a treatment serum to target that. I always have a vitamin C serum in my routine for antioxidant protection against the sun and environmental pollutants. Plus, vitamin C gives the best glow. It makes my skin glow and it helps to even out my skin tone overall. I've been using the IS Clinical Super Serum Advance. Now this has 50% vitamin C and a copper tripeptide growth factor. I know there's been a little bit of speculation as to the effectiveness of vitamin C's and skincare serums that are housed in containers like this because it's been said that when this is exposed to air, the product is not as effective. But I've noticed a difference with this. I think it's going to be really interesting to see how packaging evolves, and I think we're going to learn a lot more in the future about the effectiveness of products that are in containers like this. So for me, I have noticed a difference with using this. When I first started, I did have a little bit of irritation, and that's to be expected when using a higher dose of vitamin C. So the first, I would say, week or so, I had a little bit of redness for the first 10 minutes, and then it went away. And I like to apply this at night and in the morning. I do 5 to 6 drops after I've cleansed. I really press it into the skin. I also do the neck and the chest. And what I noticed the most is that it really helped with my pigmentation. I think it's helping with the redness and also the fine lines and wrinkles. And again, that glow. That's what I love vitamin C the most, I think, for is it really protects the skin, but it also gives a great glow. After I treat the skin, it's time to hydrate. Now, my skin has been dry and dehydrated this year, more so I think than it has ever in the past. So my focus has been on deep hydration, and I am using a combination of products to achieve that. So the first product I use is from African Botanics. It's the Rose Essence Treatment. I am so obsessed with this product. I use every last drop, and unfortunately I dropped the bottle, so I can't show you, but hopefully I can pull up a picture to show you this product. This is highly concentrated gel that transforms into a liquid onto the skin. I noticed that it instantly helped to reduce my redness and inflammation. Cloud Micro Emulsion I put on after the Rose Essence. And this feels so incredibly lightweight. It just sinks into the skin immediately. It has a special water and oil technology. I even used this on some of my clients this year because I love the texture of this so much under makeup. And I had so many clients that commented on just how beautiful this product felt on the skin. I'll definitely be repurchasing this. And then the final step after I've applied my 2 hydration serums, and at this point, nothing feels heavy on the skin. Everything is very lightweight, from that IS Clinical Vitamin C to my hydration serums. Nothing is really feeling heavy yet. This is going to be the final. This is going to be the heaviest in terms of the weight and texture on the skin. This is the Intense Skin Repair Balm. It's a concentrated repair balm that melts into a serum when you apply it to your skin. It has retinol, niacinamide to help brighten any dark spots, focus on those fine lines and wrinkles. And I just feel like it's this yummy balm that cushions my skin. My skin feels like less red, less irritated, hydrated, nothing is parched, everything is just smooth and nourished when I use this. And I use it as an eye serum as well. I call this my natural alternative to La Mer. So if you're looking for an alternative, you need something that's extremely hydrating, that's just gonna nourish your skin, this is my favorite. These are 2 products that I use in the morning that I just want to quickly share. I can film a morning skincare routine if you'd like. Let me know in the comment section below. But these are 2 products that I always have sort of at the ready. The One Love Organics Vitamin B Enzyme Cleanser. I don't always wash my face in the morning, but sometimes after doing this skincare routine, I do feel like I need to very gently exfoliate my skin in the morning. And this smells like pineapple. And it has a naturally occurring enzyme in here to exfoliate your skin and brighten it for the day, which I love before applying makeup. And then before I go to bed, I always make sure my Sicily eye cream is in the refrigerator. So when I'm waking up and making coffee or tea in the morning, I can dab this on. And I love this eye cream. I recently discovered this, and it just helps with puffiness, it helps hydrate, and the gel texture to this is absolutely perfect in the morning underneath eye makeup. I've been getting a lot of questions about my skincare routine on social, so I hope this was helpful. These are the products that have been working just so well for me the last few months. Let me know if you have any questions below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.